So in a given problem, he has given the sending end voltage of a 300 km long length, and is also saying that the line is assumed to be lossless with beta equal to so and so, and also has given the characteristic impedance. So he is asking the receiving end of the line if the line is open circuited. So that means having a line, he has given the sending end voltage and he is asking the receiving end voltage, but the line is open. That means there is no current is flowing through this, but he has given the length is 300 kilometers. We know that, so whenever the line is not loaded, we know that the receiving end voltage will be more. So that is called Ferranti effect, right? So he is asking how much is the receiving end voltage. So for that, first of all you should find out the electrical length of a line in radians. So the electrical length of a line in radians is, I'll take this as a theta, this is beta into L. So this will be in radians. So beta is how much? 0.0013 into length, you can write it is in kilometers because he has given beta as radians per kilometer. So this is 300. So this is equal to 0.39 radians. If you convert into degrees, this will be 22.3 degrees. The reason why I have calculated this theta is because in ABCD parameters we know Vs equal to VR cos theta plus IR sin theta. Since the line is open, so this term will be 0. So VR is nothing but Vs by cos theta. So Vs is given as 500 kilovolts by cos of 22.3 degrees. So this is equal to 540.418 kilovolts. So this indicates clearly, as per the Ferranti effect, the receiving end voltage is more than the sending end voltage. So the answer is option A.